Yo, what's good, chat? What's good? What's good? How are we doing? Give me 1 second. Alrighty, we are back. We are back with it. How's everyone doing? Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Brand new trading week. Let's get into it. Already getting some craziness from the overnight move. I'm currently red on the day. I tried to take a long last night and wasn't able to secure a green on that. We'll see where this goes. So this is a current look right here. We have. So make sure you see it. Yeah. So let's go into NQ. A bunch of low stacked. We got SMT with ES down here. I think this doesn't hold. The only issue is, right, it looks so good for downside, and then we have a bunch of like high probability areas of buy side, like this and new week opening gap. Right, we have this still open, and we have this equal high. So we'll see what the market wants to do this morning. Ideally, we continue lower into 24.1 area, but I don't know. I'm being honest with you guys. I don't know. We have NFP this week as well. Let's see. Let's see. We should be going to 24 in the dump. We already, I mean, that's what I'm saying. We're already down so much, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, like I said, I really don't know where this is gonna go. I have a feeling this is gonna get a random pump soon. Got a 5-minute gap here. We'll see. Yeah, I do. It's such a weird spot, chat. I feel like this could go literally either way, and it's so whack. If we would have tapped new week open gap, that would have been a really good area for shorts. But now, like, we have so much liquidity both sides. I just don't know where this is gonna go. I guess we'll use the hourly version as like a bias, but we have relative equal highs, or relative equal lows, excuse me. Low. ES has already taken out this low. So is the SMT gonna hold or not? That's the question. Sorry, bro. I don't take personal students or anything like that. Just show up on a stream every day, and you'll get better for sure.
I don't talk about you like I used to do.
What's good? What's good?
Silence has a way of
That's 0.
sounding just like you. I don't talk about you, but you're always there in the space between my thoughts and the air I breathe at night. I don't talk
Agent ES had the walk, maybe. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking at. We might go up there and then come down for shorts, but dude, that new week opening gap is gonna hold more weight for me than it is 24.1 because we came down to this area so many times this bounce. I'm kind of over giving this area chances. All right, make sure to drop a like on the stream, chat. Appreciate it.
I say I'm okay. I learned how to move on in a very quiet way. I don't check the past. I don't read all lines, but your name still shows up in the back of my mind. I don't talk about you, but I feel it too. Every time the room goes still, every time I think of you, I don't talk about you.
All right, say here, guys. We're gonna be red or green today from New York Open, just the New York session itself.
Some things hurt more when you don't say
I want to give some bias, dude. I don't know. It's so iffy for me. I'm gonna rely on chat bias for today.
why I changed the view. It's not that I forgot you, I just don't talk about you.
Green from. Let's see. The whole thing, this war event is so fucked that it might just control the macro narrative. Yeah, I agree. This is really hard, I'm not gonna lie, for a bias. We have no news today either. It actually is rough, I'm not gonna lie.
The city's still weak, but I'm already tired.
The lower time frame's kind of iffy right now too. Just a bunch of back and forth.
None of them required. I turn the TV on just to fill the space. Funny how the quiet
20 minutes for this open.
still says
Oh, we have Red folder at 10 a.m. Let's see.
it's just
Oh, we do have PMI. Okay, I thought I checked yesterday. I couldn't find anything, but yeah, right. You are right.
I'll get through somehow. I keep telling myself
It'll be interesting.
I'm stronger now.
Yeah, that's good. I'm glad we have that news. Right.
I pass the places we used to go. Nothing looks different, but I know I don't check my phone. I don't wait for signs.
Today we'll probably just let the market do its thing in the beginning. Just kind of see where it wants to go. I think it'll be pretty aggressive move off open.
It's just
As long as we wait, we'll probably get the direction. I think PM session will be really good today because the volatility is definitely there. It's just the direction is kind of iffy, right? But if we start pushing a certain way, it'll be easy. But yeah, definitely once the direction picks up, I think it'll become high probability. The only thing iffy for me, like the conditions are okay in terms of how it's moving and how much it's moving. It's just the direction is gonna be a little iffy. We have so much liquidity on both sides. So once we figure that out and see where it really wants to go, I think it'll be good. Currently, this is a look here. Like I think we're rejecting the hourly gap. So we're rejecting hourly gap and we're respecting an hourly gap. We have S&T with this low here with ES and NQ. Whatever happens is whenever we end up running this buy side, it's gonna happen very quick because we have new week opening gap plus equal highs up there. That's gonna happen quick.
Watch on the video that you sent me. The one
So
where
cute. Thank you, bro. Is LA time too early? Yeah, I mean it is pretty early. I'm not gonna lie. Today's a pretty busy day because if you guys don't know, this is the second to last stream in this room, most likely. I'm moving out. I already have my keys for the other spot, but I still have this place till the 12th. But this is gonna be my last final days of streaming in this room. And basically just moving everything over. It's been kind of not stressful, but so today I have to go back to the other spot. We have some cleaners coming in and looking at all that and cleaning everything. I'll be there for the majority of the afternoon. Yeah. Yep. But chat, the next spot we move into is going to be for 13 months, so that's going to be our permanent residence for a while. Nah, that in Cali, it's only 10 minutes away, but it's a bigger spot. That's the big thing. Thank you, bro. It's a bigger spot.
and you're on the tray 10 times nightly. You know I think you're scared. It's the perfect color, but it's always your eyes pull me under. But it's always your eyes pull me under.
What's your bias for today? Honestly, dude, I like how the market's moving in terms of volatility, but it's both ways can be possible today. So we're gonna wait and see what happens at open to get a bigger or better understanding, because we have new week opening gap. We also have this equal low at the bottom. So something to be mindful of. If this hourly goes inversion, we'll probably end up taking a short. What's going on?
Watch out on the video. Watch out on the video.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is, if you're gonna covering pop, there's no really gap or anything. We had a volume imbalance last night. We filled with the 4 hour. I don't think that's enough but we shall see. I feel like we came down to the area so many times, and every time it's been a wick. I mean, you guys can literally see. And now they're like trying to throw everyone off, and then they're gonna dump it. Funded next futures do something with them too. You'll see. Guys, make sure if you guys are trading eval, use code SMART. You get a bunch of rewards for just simply using the code. I'll pin it above. All right, make sure you drop a like on the stream though, chat. Everyone drop a like on the stream right now. It goes a long way. I appreciate it. Drop a like, drop a like. And giveaways are based off of likes too, so keep that in mind. All right, we got 10 minutes for our open here. Currently rejecting the 5-minute gap, coming back down. Man, I would really wish they made this a little bit easier going into today. This is a little difficult. All right, chat. 10 minutes. Like we saw earlier, we have PMI data. Keep that in mind. Voices echo in the distance. Say too much, then never speak. I don't ask for something better. I just take what I can find. If this road keeps going nowhere, I'll still follow every sign. I carry the night on my shoulders, heavy but it keeps me awake. Every step makes me stronger, even if my heart might break. I carry the night, I don't fight it. Yeah, I really don't know what they're gonna do with this. I'm thinking about it. I'm just like, I don't know. Like, I feel like either it's gonna straight dump off open, or it's gonna be, if we get a move up, I don't think it's gonna come back down. That's my thing. We always have S&Ts, yes, bro, at these lows. Do you think these Apex rules are sustainable long term, especially with the 20 EOD accounts? Look, I don't think they are. I'm gonna be honest with you. Which is why you guys need to take advantage of the thing right now, right? Because I don't think it's sustainable, and I don't think they're gonna keep it on for a long time. So take advantage, basically. of what you guys can. It's very easy to get payouts on the new Apex account. Very, very easy.
I was born to drift and stay. Carry the night on my shoulders. Everybody keeps me awake. Every step makes me stronger. Even if my heart might break. I carry the night, I don't fight.
Pretty cheap too for what they are. I mean, look, 50% consistency. I think on the 50K you need like 4K profits. Like, that's really doable. There's a daily loss limit, but I don't think that's as big of a deal. Then you get payouts every 5 days, so sustainability is a little iffy to me, but we'll see how that goes. Because the holding with 20 accounts it's easier to keep because of trailing drawdowns, but yeah, no more trailing drawdown. I mean, you can still use trailing drawdown if you want, but choose the other option. Makes sense to use trailing.
Carry the night.
All right, choppy here for open. Yes, run and slows. Code Smart is not accepted at Apex. Yeah, use code DESI for Apex. Code Smart for everything else and code DESI for Apex. Which props would I recommend now? I really like, look, the new Apex accounts are great. I really do think people should trade them. TBT, Tradify, all those are good.
Just graduated fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta with no manners. Damn. Fresh out East Atlanta. Bump on a bumper like a traffic jam. Hey, I was quick to pay that girl like Uncle Sam. Here you go. Hey, back it on me, back it up. Shawty craving on me, get it eating on me, on me. She waited on me, and what? Shawty caking on me, got the bacon on me. Wait up, this is history in the making, homie, homie. Point blank, close range, that be too tough. If it costs $1 million, that's me, that's me. I was getting moolah, baby. Half of my heart is in Havana. He took me back to East Atlanta. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana. Take me back like.
We got 5 minutes here, 4 minutes here. It's open. The open volatility should be there. Direction, I hope to the downside. We'll see. I feel like no one's kind of expecting 24.1 at this point to hit. So like this would be like the perfect time to kind of hit it. It's probably make people questionable to short down here. All right. 3 minutes, chat. 3 minutes.
Havana, Unana. Half of my heart is in Havana, Unana. He took me back to East Atlanta, Unana.
You get everything set up. All right, we're gonna go. All right, a lot of craziness. ES is taking out lows. NQ is really not budging. So, do you have any swings? I do not have any swings. But anyone else get a feeling we might as well run up off open? All right, chat. 2 minutes before I open. Drop a like on the stream. Every 100 likes we do giveaways. Drop a like. Drop a like. What are we moving on New York after? VIX 23 plus. That's good. For the girl he sent my way, but I know the things he gives me he can take away, and I hold you every night, and it's a feeling I wanna get used to, but there's no man as terrified as a man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Like I said, I really would like to see this get a solid move today. Even if we do end up moving higher, we have really good targets. We'll see. Currently, right now, we have some SPT down here. Right here. All right. 15 seconds. Chat. We're probably gonna get a crazy opening move or candle. All right, SMT is currently holding. All right, chat, let's get it. Let's have a good trading day. Asia highs and gap is better. I think so too. But like I said, let the first 30 minutes do what it needs to do, and then we'll get the hourly closes, right? If the hourly close here is the inversion on both the indices, I think that can be a drive for lower. We got IFPGs, both. We got fair value gas both sides that we're currently rejecting. All right, this is a good areas of liquidity here. Highs and lows of these. Gap Hill's 300 points away. Let me check NDX contracts to see where they're at right now. This actually might be a good NDX day. We are going. Let me check NDX. It's like roughly the gap is 200 points away from here. So 200 points out of the money on NDX. That's not too bad. All right, these candles have no wicks. I think we're gonna come down a little bit. Oh, come rebalance. But if we get an hourly inversion here plus OB, I'm gonna take this for the upside. Like you guys can see this forming here. We got possible IFPG. We got OB. I'll give this another jab like this. Something like that. That's scenario one, basically, if we get that. But you guys got to realize we currently are in a megaphone here on ES and NQ, so as long as this gets a breakout, we'll be chilling. This is actually really strong here. I'm glad I wasn't too bearish going into open. But chat, you guys already know what the fuck's gonna happen. We're gonna keep going higher, get no pullback until PM session, and then AM session is absolutely chalked. Look at this, bro. We already have 200 points with no pullback. Goodness gracious, bro. This price action, dude, we gotta get a pullback, bro. This is the type of price action that never gets a pullback, and if it doesn't, I can't trade this. These are the most frustrating type of days. This is too bullish, bro. We're gonna go to NWOG. I really do think we're gonna push for NWOG. Like, you either get in right now or you're gonna get left behind. That's the issue with this type of price action. It doesn't pull back at all. I'm getting frustrated. I'm just sitting here doing nothing. Oh my god. This price action soul rage fucking bait, bro. Fuck this market, bro. On God, dude. I come up every fucking day and waste my time, bro. Holy shit. I'm actually getting triggered. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I'm actually getting triggered. I fucking hate this more than anything. I'd rather chop all day than do this bullshit, bro. This is a rage bait ass fucking market, bro. Yeah, I'm actually getting rage bait. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Right there, NWOG's only 100 points away, bro. That shit's gonna get taken up like nothing. Let's mark this up here. There's no pullback, bro. Oh my god. But at this point, we have so many gaps. You need like a 5-minute gap to get tapped into. And the issue is like how I trade my stop would be at the low of the 5-minute gap, but that's like way too far. Bro, fuck this market, bro. Like dead ass. This is really frustrating.
It still feels like you in the way I stay.
Yeah, we're going to 25 100. I think that'd be the ultimate draw.
When the night turns gray, I don't say your name. I don't want it to, but every quiet moment still feels like you.
Like what are we supposed to do here? Bro, there's nothing, dude. There's literally nothing. NWOG is right there, bro. We're literally 60 points away, bro. What am I gonna do with that? And then they're probably gonna sweep this high before anything even pulls back, which makes it even lower probability to get the entry. If we somehow create this 5-minute gap, I'll take it. No, I didn't take NDX. I wish, bro.
It still feels like you in the way I stay. It still feels like you when the night turns gray. I don't say your name, I don't want it to. But every
Yeah, I mean, like I said, we're for sure gonna go higher. It's just like there's no pullback. The 5 minutes about to create a 5-minute gap here in a minute, but I don't know if it's gonna even tap that. Wait, locking chat. We might get an entry here. We got a 5-minute gap.
underneath the fading light, I still feel you in the night. Every breath of memory, you're the only part of me. I try to run,
All right, 5-minute gap's active. We'll see. We'll look for entry like this.
shadow stays inside. Every song, every sound brings your
I'm gonna add as we get into the 5-minute gap. I'm gonna like add more and more
don't break
to my full size.
again. I'm still falling in the rain. Every tear, every sign takes me back in time. Don't fade into the blue. I'm still lost in you. Can't escape the truth.
All right, you guys get the gist of it. We're gonna look for that long. Go, Manoli. Make sure to drop a like on the stream, guys. We got 100 likes to the giveaway.
I'm falling for you.
Hey, chat. I'm gonna say it right now. If I enter this trade and it goes right through this 5-minute gap, I'm gonna end stream so fast you guys don't even know what happened, bro. You guys think I got taken out by the CIA or some shit? That's how fast the stream's gonna end. Give me a world record stream. That's how fast it's gonna end.
Can't forget your gentle light. Every touch still
Dude, it's gonna be so quick. I'm gonna be back in bed, bro, by the time I can even count to 2, bro.
here. I try to run, I try to hide, but your shadow stays inside. Every song,
You gonna light on this? Yeah, I'm gonna start with micros. I'm gonna jab up to only 15 micros. So I'm gonna add like 5, and then if you go lower a little bit, 5.
don't break my heart again. I'm still
If we get a pullback into it.
every tear, every sign takes me back in time. Don't fade into
Bro, please. ICT, do you hear me, bro? Please. What do you go with? Lucid Pro, Lucid? Oh, there's a new Lucid accounts that are really good. I'll go with those. I don't know what they're called. Sorry. Matt, what's good? What's good? What's good? Chat, we got another series coming up on Instagram. We're gonna start recording for you guys. Do you think Apex is planning to rug? I don't think they're planning to rug. No, absolutely not. But I don't think it's fully sustainable because it's just so easy to get payouts. I think I don't know what they're betting on in terms of risk management of them like saving. Maybe it's the daily loss limit or something like that, but we'll see. Maybe if you stop shit talking Trump, he would give you a pullback into a 5-minute gap. Are there any rules I could? Nah. So like Apex new rules, if you guys don't know, end of day drawdown, right? 50% consistency and the. So we'll go with the eval first. Eval 3K profit target, 2K loss limit. Same thing with that. I don't know if the daily loss limit is on evals too. I gotta check that. The funded account, 5 days to pay out, 50% or consistency. The same amount of buffer that you need for like the regular rules in terms of requesting it. It's crazy, dude. It is insane. Like it is really easy to get a payout from them. And there's a daily loss limit that scales as your account gets higher balance. They stopped that bullshit MAE as soon as they denied payout. Banger content. Hey, I appreciate it, Riv. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yo, Riv, can we get a pullback though in this 5-minute gap or what? Or that's not gonna happen. They switched up because they were. A lot more legacy accounts. I mean, you can still trade a legacy accounts. It's not bad. They're not gonna remove them or anything like that. I'm saying a war on Friday live. Yeah, the war stuff is always over the weekend, bro. We really might not tap this 5-minute gap. If we're not dumb, they know end of day drawdown 100% payouts. Wow, I don't know, dude. Maybe they think it's not as milkable as we say it is, bro. I mean, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Bro, no fucking way, bro. Yeah, but a $2,500 intraday drawdown is worse than $2,000 end of day drawdown. Like the end of day drawdown makes up for it. I feel like that's what no one's really talking about. I mean, dude, Apex won't fast track because they're too big, bro. If anything, they'll we'll see if they change the rules or anything like that, but for now, that's what it is. Bro, if NQ fucking taps this new week opening gap, bro, and we don't get a pullback, I'm actually done trading this week. I'm not gonna lie. I'm literally will go evals for the rest of the week. And I'm probably gonna go evals for the rest of the week because this is not it, bro. So what's gonna end up happening is like, so these are the most high probability days, right? When we have new week opening gap open, we have all these areas open. And then it just fucking dies, and then it goes, and then it just doesn't do anything. So we're gonna trade after the new week opening gap gets taken out, and then it's because of low probability. And it's been like that the whole week. Is we'll take out a low SMT and then chop for the rest of the week. That chop is so low probability too compared to what this price action would be. Like obviously everyone knows we're going to new week opening gap, but it's just like the entry's just not there, and I don't know. We can't do anything about that. What would you approach me with Apex funded with the daily loss limit? Hey, Matt, let's get on it. We're gonna make a series about the new Apex, and I'll break it all down. It should be ready by Monday at latest. I'm just waiting for everything to come in. I'm gonna record the entire series in one go. Bro, fuck this market. Guys, I'm gonna record a reel right after this rage baits me.
I'm still here, just not the same. Maybe one day I'll sleep just fine, but tonight nothing feels right.
300 points, no fucking pullback, bro. It's just brutal. They really didn't pull this back at all.
City breathing through the glass, neon shaking on your back.
Price action's ass, bro.
Second feels too fast, but
And now, bro, it pulls back. This is gonna be such a low probability entry. This pulled back and we got an entry. I wouldn't even take it no more. We already got our main objective taken out. It's like taking a long after liquidity sweep. It's no point.
like when I'm supposed to know. Right after midnight, we fall apart. No alibis, just beating heart. Right after midnight, no wrong, no right, just you and I.
So I drew it up too. I was like, I want this for higher prices. Obviously, we didn't remotely get close to that. But these past 3 months have been really bad. December, January, February. And I thought the market would do better this week. Oh boy, was I mistaken. Cause look, bro, I'm gonna tell you this chat. Look, we go fill a new week opening gap, right? We can't just short it right away. We can't long it either because this fills a gap. We have these equal highs right here at fucking 24, 25, 100. Like, where are we gonna go? This is so low probability and so ass on the daily chart and the lower in like the 4-hour chart. Look at this, bro. Shit, it's fucking ass cheeks. What the fuck are we doing? This Hall of Fame rage bit price action. Yeah, chat, get to 100 giveaways or 100 giveaways. 100 likes with the giveaway. Yeah, ES took ages, so now it just makes it harder for me to long NQ, even if we do get a pullback. If we get the 5 minute, I will give it a jab. Big if though.
We talk without a sound. I say
Cold port shorts. Okay, buddy.
But I stay anyway.
Probably a 15-minute here. It's gonna form. No, not yet. Not yet.
Between the lines, we're still falling. No right time. No
Something like this.
just hearts drifting.
That's all I'm asking for. Yeah, so jokes aren't even funny no more. No, dead ass, bro. Dude, you're right, bro. That shit. Let's go to a giveaway, bro. Fuck this. Start it up. If you guys win, DM me your Smart Prop from email. If you guys have any issues, do not DM me again. Go make a ticket on Smart Prop from. All right, giveaways live. I'll link the Discord right now. If this is your first time, go to the Discord, go to the giveaway tab. Why are you not bearish? We have new week opening gap there. I mean, dude, I'm fine with either way if we get good price action. All I want is good price action. But I would not fade a 5-minute gap here. Like this 5-minute gap holds a lot of weight. We're gonna put in a 15-minute gap too.
No clear sign. Just hearts drifting between the lines. If this fades, let it fade slow between the lines. I'll let you go.
It just look up chill deep house mix. All right, nearing the 5-minute here. 3 minutes for the 15-minute gap to form as well. This is actually pretty solid.
We used to talk until the sun forgot the moon.
I'm gonna find a 5-second.
Now every word feels out of place. I get close where
I mean, bro, it's just lower time. If you're actually trading a lot of capital, you're not taking like 15-second entry, 30-second entry. Not happening. Only one person I know who actually does that, who actually trades, is Kane.
maybe proof that we were real before we done our meant to feel. We didn't grow, we slowly changed. Love didn't mean just rearrange. No fire, no blame, no tears to say. We didn't fall.
I mean, the hourly is about to confirm a FVG. So we have news in 3 minutes. We'll see what the news does. Ideally, we bring it lower off the news and then kind of go up off the gaps. All right, giveaway winners. I already recognized one of the names. We got Visk, and then we also got Dark. Congrats, lifetime member. Make sure to DM me your smart prompt from email, and I'll send it to the team. It probably takes like 5 to 7 days to get to you. Be patient. The Asia Search market open. So valid. I mean, I'm looking at the new week opening gap itself, which if that's what you're talking about, looking for a fill of that. I was waiting for a 15-minute or a 5-minute gap to get tapped into, but nothing. It's just nothing, bro. There's no pullback at all. I can't trade this on a 1 minute. There's nothing either. Which is why I'm saying this is like rage bait to the max. All right, we got news in about 10 seconds. Let's see what it does. Ideally, we get a wick down, we get an entry, then we take it up, and we happy campers. Bro, I never want to get away to, and I enter every single one.
I keep your voice inside my chest. I can finish sentences. Every night just feel the same. Different hours.
Rigged. Damn right it's rigged.
Everyone moves except for me. A small back when people laugh. They don't stay the crowds. I'm still here without you.
You could turn your gain up easily. What does that even mean? All right, we're fucking smacking this 15-minute chat. Chat, I'm in this. I'm gonna grab a position in here. We're gonna grab it. It's gonna be a wide stop, but there's nothing I can do about that. I'm in this. I'm gonna add up to 15 micros. I'll add more as we go down into the gap. Longs. I mean, you can see the RR tool, bro. Bro, it's literally just simple tap and just going. There's not even gonna be a pullback on this. That's already fucking 70 points. Holy shit, this is quick. I took this on toss up as well with 1 mini. God damn. Quick. We need to see that Asia high though, and NQ get swept. We'll platform you use? I'm trading Top Step right now in my personal accounts and TPT. Like I said, if we go lower into this 15-minute gap, I'll keep adding on my personal. If not, we'll take what we have. But this is my top step position. Right, that's my top step position. And I'm gonna have to take a trim here. Yeah, that's at the high. Yep. Damn, Chad, that was quick. That was a lot of points, I'm not gonna lie. I had to follow my rules and go break even at the highs. If you guys didn't get the entries, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. It was too quick. It literally tapped into the 15-minute gap, and that was it. It was a simple tap into it. There's a lot of firms that you can use. Tradeify, Lucid, TPT, they're all really good. TPT is probably more like expert level because they have the trailing drawdown. So Lucid, Tradeify is really good. You guys take anything this morning? Oh, someone pre-fired my question. That's crazy. Took this 15-minute long. Very, obviously very quick. Yeah, DM me the smart profit email. Trying to be positive month to March. Yeah, it's gonna be how it is. 2R pre-market shorts, nice. Higher time frames bearish, nice. The only thing is we get down here every time and we just right back up, right? So I was like, fuck it. Like, I'm not gonna even. I'll look for upside. We have new week opening gap open. Still. That was a ballsy long entry, yeah. Did you say you broke your own rule? Nah, that was a good entry for me. I don't mind the entry. I mean, I was looking for a 5 or 15-minute pullback ever since we started creating the gap. So we got a 15-minute pullback. I'm fine with taking that. Really nice move here. But right back into range is real, bro. I don't know when we're gonna break out of the range. Like, I thought the war news would honestly break us out, but my bad. It's supposed to be 50, 25, 100. We have equal highs here on the 4-hour chart. Right here. Yeah, I took this. I mean, it was very quick. I don't know how many people got entries, but as soon as we tapped this 15-minute, I went long. This is like a kind of a no man's land here, getting into that gap. Make sure you're either break even or trim some. The most ideal situation would be we fill the gap here and then we kind of just do this. But either that or this. If we go here. Because overall, like I said, I'm still bearish. Like I want to see 24-1 get hit, right? Like these equal lows, relative equal lows down here are very good targets, but we're just not sleeping them. So like, it makes it very difficult to trade to the downside. Every time we get to this area on the daily chart, you guys can see we've been bouncing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this been a 9th bounce here at this area. And the 4 hour is even worse, right? Like, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 times we tapped into this little OB here and survived, right? Yeah, retail got baited. I mean, everyone got baited, bro. It's just how the market's been, just up and down. This is our original entry here. Very nice. There we go. All right, if you guys definitely haven't trimmed, make sure to take a trim now. I think ES filled this gap. Yeah, ES filling this gap right here. So make sure you guys are trimming accordingly.
A ghost I still embrace. Every heartbeat calls your name. Nothing feels quite the same. You're the poison, you're the cure. Something deeper, something pure. Can't escape, don't wanna run. Your love is like the rising sun. I'm addicted to your touch, need your fire, craving much. In the dark, you're all I see. Your love is my remedy. Wrap me up in your desire. Take me higher, light my fire. Promise me you'll never.
As long, yeah, what the fuck is the market? My favorite is March started ASP as well. Yeah. You have to be very quick about this one. I'm glad I was able to Get something in. There's no wrong answers. In my opinion, even though the setup is working out, it's pretty shit. I don't think it's shitty because new week opening gap is like the highest probability draw in the market, right? We had that open. I was looking for a pullback and we got a 15-minute pullback. I just took the 15-minute chart. There you go. That's the fill. So for me, I don't think it was low probability. It just wasn't as clean as we hoped it to be. But in terms of a pullback, we did get it at the 15-minute. This is, I wouldn't say this is an A++ setup, but it is not bad because the entry was iffy, but it was such a strong liquidity that I was happy with it. Discretion maxing, yeah. Now maybe we go to 25-100 here. We'll see.
Candles flicker, shadows play. No one knows what we say. Hold your breath and feel my fire. Secrets sweet, this sweet desire. Secrets in the night we hide. Wrapped in love we can't divide.
But yeah, it could obviously go break even, stop loss now and stuff.
Just our secrets in the night. Secrets in the night. Promise you won't let them find all the dreams we leave behind. Every touch your scent is on my pillowcase. Your voice a ghost I still embrace. Every heartbeat calls your name. Nothing feels quite the same. You're the poison.
All right, I'm gonna trail my stops at this low here.
Something
A62.
deeper, something pure. Can't escape, don't wanna run. Your love is like the rising sun. I'm
We'll put A62 as a trailing stop loss.
touch, need your fire, craving much. In the dark, you're all I see. Your love is my remedy. Wrap me up in your desire. Take me higher, light my fire. Promise me you'll never fade. In your arms, I'm not afraid. You're the poison, you're the cure. Something deeper, something pure. Can't escape, don't wanna run. Your love is like the rising sun. I'm addicted to your touch. Need your fire, craving much. In the dark, you're all I see. Your love is my remedy. Wrap me up in your desire. Take me higher, light my fire. Promise me you'll never fade. In your arms, I'm not
Oh, the 4 hour. Let me check the 4 hour. Yeah, fair enough. You're gonna be home later. What? Fuck does that mean?
Candles flicker, shadows play. No one knows what we say. Hold your breath and feel my fire. Secrets sweet, this sweet desire. Secrets in the night we hide. Wrapped in love we can't divide.
Yeah, party at my house, chat.
Tomorrow, no
Let's go.
just our secrets in the
Let's go. Yeah, my trailing stops at 860s.
secrets in the night.
I'm longed. I longed down here. I already took most of my position off, and I'm gonna look for. I took it off on top step fully. Make sure you lose the. I'm already gonna lose the deposit, bro. I have the soundproof walls thingies, and that shit. Yeah, it's over, bro. It's over. They already quoted me $1,100, and they only seen one part of the wall, so
In the night our secrets sleep.
we're cooked.
Candles flicker, shadows play. No one knows what we say. Hold your breath and feel my fire. Secrets feed this sweet desire. Secrets in the night we hide. Wrapped in love we can't divide. No tomorrow, no daylight. Just our secrets in the night.
All right, chat. We'll wrap it up here. No, 1,100. Did I say 11K? 860s is my trailing stop loss. I'm gonna wrap it up. I have to go to the other spot today and make sure. Oh, not 11K. That'd be crazy. And get everything sorted over there. All right, peace and love, chat. Appreciate you guys for being on. I hope this helped, and we'll be back live tomorrow at We'll be live tomorrow again at 9 a.m. Eastern. All right, peace and love. If you guys want the giveaway, make sure to DM me your smart profit email good to the team as soon as possible. All right, peace and love, chat. Catch you guys.